she watched us climb in or what happened, but we're gonna sit tight. 1st of November. Nothing happens tonight. We'll be back in here in the morning again, so it's a good spot. It's a big buckhead. He might come down. I'm not sure what he's going to do. He might hit this road. You're going to shoot that, aren't you? Spin your bow. Turn. Get ready. Wait, let him go. Shoot him. Shoot him. Was that him going down? Huh? Oh, you do? What's he doing? Oh, I see him up there, yeah. I'm pretty sure he just went down. Did it look like it to you? Or just keep our eyes up there. Look here. Did you hit him back maybe a little bit, or you don't know?
I honestly don't know.
Oh, there it is. I couldn't tell where you hit him at. It sounded good. I mean, there sounded like a thump, you know what I mean? But we'll just leave him go. We'll wait here another half hour or so, and we'll get down out, and we'll come back later tonight. Okay. Just to make sure, okay? Yeah. That's not good at all. Oh, he was standing right there. She was sitting right there, 45 or so yards from the tree. But he ran up here for a little bit, stopped. She seen him crash and go down and get back up, and then I'm pretty sure I watched him crash. So we're gonna get up here and see if we can't find him. There's the first bit of blood. Pink and bubbly. Just like we were hoping. Oh. Sure.
It doesn't look like blood.
It could be a part of his lung.
I caught it!
Nice job, Eviana.
Ow!
Well, give us a story here.
Well, we were sitting in the tree, and there was another buck. We're not sure if it was this one or not. And he came down chasing a doe, and it went in like behind some bushes, and then we didn't find it for like, or we didn't see it for like half an hour. And then I was sitting there, I don't even know what I was doing. And my dad says, Ev, there's a deer. I was like, huh? And he's like, to your right. I think it was the right, I don't know, my right to my left. And then I look over and he's like, are you gonna shoot it? I was like, duh. And then we watched them for like, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe.
Yeah, a couple minutes there, raking a tree.
My dad told me to shoot him, and I couldn't. And he's like, shoot him, shoot him. I was like, I can't.
Oh, I couldn't tell where she hit it, but
It's a big
I'm
deer.
guessing like he didn't have any idea what happened, but you can see entry hole. I mean, it's from where the angle that we were at. She double lunged it. It didn't go 80 yards, but it was on its feet for a while. Just wasn't running, but I did think I heard it gurgle one time, and then I'm pretty sure I watched it tip over right here. So, buck down. Congratulations, Aviana.
Thank you.
Let's get a tag on them and
How are we gonna get it out of here?
drag them. Get home in time for church.